Welcome. In this video I show you how to create a rose blossom with the fibonarray add-on. I've prepared this single leaf object and now I select it and press Create Fibo. And I press Reset Default Values and move the structure up. The sphere-like object is the parent object for everything, and this cone object is the parent for the control curves. And the control curves are these stick-like objects. And I can modify with the parameters and the control curves, can modify the structure. And now we have these leaves, and we can first, what I want to do first is I want to rotate the leaves so they point outside to the outside direction. So I go to rotation settings, set sequential, and change the rotation of the objects. And I think I have a little bit, it's maybe too many objects, so I change the object count to try 28. No, 23. Okay, I try with 23 for now. And I change the spread factor to close to 0, so the leaves start at the center. Okay. And I add some height, inner height. And now I want the leaves to point upwards, so I change the rotation slope X value. I can make them go down or go up, and I want them to go up. Okay, very nice. Add a little bit more height, and there's our nice leaf rose blossom in very short time and without much editing. And what we can do now is make some detail work, like for example, if I want the inner leaves be larger, I can use the inner size, make them a little bit larger. And if I want, maybe I want the inner leaves to point more upwards, or the outer leaves more to the outside, so I can use the curves for additional fine-tuning. So I go to rotation and select use curves for rotation. Now I can select this curve, which is called control rotation X, and I go to edit mode, and I can make the bottom leaves point outside. So I can change the bottom leaves to the outside, and now I want the inner leaves to go to the upper direction, and I choose the top knot of the curve and move it on the x-axis and make it go up. And this gives us a more realistic result. So I have very good options for getting the result that I want. Okay, this is how you create a rose leaf blossom. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.